I feel like as many people that I know, as many artists that I know, I started as a young age uh, practicing or fantasizing about arts and playing with it because it was a way to feel connected, to feel less alone, to feel that somehow I belong to something because I was feeling very much in between things, places, and people. Um, but especially about arts, I think that for me it's a way to learn, discover, make questions. And I will not say so much as I do art, as I use arts. I feel arts are a language that I use. I communicate better with that language, or I feel that I do better communicating with that language. I am able to connect in more depth with people and with concepts. But also for me, it's like art is like a magic wand, magic alchemy almost. Like you can really transform and recreate things in a way that are more interesting, more nice and kind.